Well, it's Monday night. I have a lot of sap to boil, so I figured I'd get things started. Took me a little while to get started. I have no idea what time it is. It's not too late though, probably 9:30ish, maybe 10 o'clock. But I wanted to get some boiling in. So if you can see in the background, quite the wall of steam going here. I knew there was going to be a lot. I was curious to see how thick it was going to be. I think at some point I'm going to have to take the other wall completely off, the front wall completely off when I'm boiling to let the steam come through, because if not, that seems to be about where it's hanging. Let me take you in. So we got a decent boil going over here on this pan. Try not to get too much steam on the camera. Everything's steaming. I found some problems with the way I laid the blocks out. Look down there. You can see how there's fire coming through. It's not supposed to do that, but I will. I'll figure that out after. The next thing I gotta figure out is look at this. Look at the steam line. It's like, you know, some famous rapper's living room or something. It's rolling right out. I think what's happening is it's hitting the cold air. It's hitting the cold air, and it's just rolling right out of here. So this whole side's probably gonna have to come off, and I'll probably have to put like a strap or something across to reinforce it so it doesn't collapse if we get any snow. But hold on, let me step down here without trying to wipe out. Oh, there we go. So anyways, so that's where I am. Got a plug-in fan. I was using a 12-volt computer fan before, but it just wasn't. This is a little bit better. You got a really good fire going here. Anyways, that's it. I think that's gonna be my only video for tonight. I'm not finishing anything. I'm just gonna sit out here, try to get a few buckets of sap. I don't know what I was going to do. I'm gonna try to give a few buckets of sap processed through here, put up into the sky. I guess that's what we're doing. And that's it. Nothing real huge tonight, but I'll post this up and have a good evening, and we'll see you on Wednesday.